at the next dumpster, and right off the bat I see this deck chair here, a luxury dune sun lounger. Now look, they've slashed the upholstery on it, but it's still practical. It's just wow. It's got wooden armrests, it's got a table right there. Crazy. These things are worth a pretty penny, so we'll definitely be taking this and adding it to our collection of sliced deck chairs. But there's certainly some potential in here. I see something here, whatever that might be. Wow. Is this a swag? No way. No way this can be a swag. Oh my god. Dune brand. Oh my goodness, I think it is. I think it's a... Let's just take this out and have a look at it. Oh my god. It is a swag. Oh my god, look at it. It's basically a tent on the ground. Oh my god. This is a beauty. Definitely been returned. It needs some poles here to hold the ends up. That is exciting. Oh my god, that is so exciting. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay. Compose ourselves. First we need to remove this. I'm going to clear this and I'll be right back, guys. Here we're back. I moved the cardboard and that pallet, so we've got nice easy access to. Look at this. Got a little kayak here. Oh my god. Let's just start with this thing here, and I think this is actually another swag. Let's pull this one out too and have a look at it. I don't see any slices at the bottom. Oh my god, look at this. It's a double swag. Oh my god. This is incredible. What a score. Oh my god. No slices. No dices. Oh, I can't believe it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's start with this thing here. What the hell is this? Okay. It's a standing board? What the hell? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Okay, okay. They have sliced it. That is definitely sliced through. But it's an inflatable one. Yep, it was an inflatable standing board. Oh, such a shame. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. There's probably an oar in here. Maybe a pump. Fins tells you how to put it together. Oh, this is oh yeah, it is too. Look, here we go. Maybe I can find someone who can patch it up, because if you look at it, the slicing is very small. Just these little things here, 1, 2, 3 slices, little slice there, like a puncher repair kit. We're going to take this, guys. I think it's fixable. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm going to make some adjustments in my car, because I'm going to do my best to fit it. I'll be right back. Well, we are back, ladies and gentlemen, and there's just no way I'm going to be able to get that kayak inside my car. No way at all. It's got a big hole in it. There can be blocked, so you know, sort of fixed, so I've been told, but I'm not going to mess with it. It is a beautiful thing, but I'm not going to mess with it at all, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just, first of all, I'm grateful for what we got already, and look at this, guys. Look at this. It is packed. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Looks like a tent cover here. Potential tent. That's the outside awning into a tent. What's this here? Deluxe 2-burner stove. What? Let's just take this out of the box and investigate it. Wait, what? Man, there's something right there. Oh my god. Let's have a look at this. Crazy. Let's have a look inside here. Wait, what? Whoa. Look, it's got the hose. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Well, be foolish not to take that and investigate it further. But the bonus is that hose on their own, they're like 90 bucks. Let's close that up. Oh, what a score. Oh, I see the arm is damaged on the lid. Oh man, I don't even know where to put it. Yes, I do. Right there for now. Okay, let's keep digging. What have we got here? We've got ourselves a bloody beautiful score here, ladies and gentlemen. What is this? Oh boy. Ah, okay, so this is a tent, and that is the dome to it. I don't see any damages initially to that, but that's what it is. It is a 10-person high tower mansion. Yep, and that is the awning. So we are going to take this. Like I said, I don't see any obvious cuts aside from the bag. It's an Austrail high tower, another good brand. Let's grab this up. Oi. Incredible. Incredible. I'm so excited that I just can't breathe properly. And to be honest, I never really saw any slashes in here, but that is okay. Oh my goodness, what a haul, what a haul. Let's take this around this side. Oh boy. Still got to get this deck chair in there. You know what, guys, there might even be more stuff in here, but I'm so happy with what I got that if I missed anything, I'm good with that. Just got to tidy up my mess. Drop this down. You know, they're going to notice straight away that the dumpster's been dealt to. So I need to find a spot for this. Incredible haul. Crazy. Okay, we are out of here. Oh, shucks. Not yet. Still gotta put this in here. Our deluxe dual cooker with hose. Yeah. And instruction book. Yeah. Oh, exciting, very exciting. Okay, let's go. Let's go, kids.